guys. Wonderful morning this morning. I wanted to talk today about misconceptions of depression. I have had depression for on and off for about 15 years now, and basically it comes in waves every couple months, I guess. Never been treated for it, ever. I didn't want to take anything that might change how I act or feel or my energy level or cause me to gain weight, because I've heard that several of them do. Also, I think social anxiety is a big misconception too. Like I could be seen as maybe a snobby person or a quiet person when I'm around a lot of people. Well, yesterday was the first day I went out in a long time where I was around a lot of people that I didn't know. We went to the grocery store, we went to the pharmacy, you know, and in these stores there's always a lot of people. They're touching you. I want to call it yelling, but it's just the language here. That's how they talk. It sounds like they're yelling. My nerves were so racked by the time we got home that I just thought I was going to have a nervous breakdown. Honestly, the more you go out, the more you get used to it, the more you can handle it, the easier it gets. But yeah, it's a huge misconception that this is like all in my head. And no, it's completely 100% physical. You know what I mean? I physically felt distressed when I was out. That hasn't gotten better. And I think it's because, I spent 10 years of my life in my house. I didn't go out. So, I had the blinds drawn, I had curtains covering them. Even now with my windows open, that's like a huge improvement from how I used to be. Especially since there's a hotel right across the street and they can see in, There's a bunch of windows there. It's still, there's a big misconception of like it's all in my head, like depression is all in your head. It's not. It's chemical, it's physical, It is in your head, but it's like a chemical imbalance or something. So I think people just need to understand it better, and if they understood it, then maybe they wouldn't, judge other people with it. And I have a friend right now who's dealing with depression for the past 10 years. Really not much she can do about it. I mean, that's what it is. She's changed her diet. She eats really healthy now. She's gotten better in a lot of aspects of her life, but she still deals with depression. It's a real thing. It's not in your head. It's chemical, and it's just the way your body functions if you have depression.
Depression is no reflection on what you have in your life, how much money you have. You can still be extremely depressed and be the richest person on earth. So a lot of people will see someone doing well in life and having depression and think that that person is ungrateful, and that's just not true.
I have read several things that are cures for depression. Mercola and several other people think that really high doses of niacin will cure depression. And I tried that before. Baby's playing with blocks. I didn't know about the niacin flush that you get. Your body turns red when you take it. You have to, you have to work up to, hiccups. You have to work up to 3,000. I don't know if the thing is micrograms or milligrams for niacin, but you have to work up to 3,000. That's really hard, because if you take just a few, you get the niacin flush and you actually think you're going to have a heart attack and die. It makes your skin feel like you've had a really bad sunburn, and then after about 30 minutes it completely goes away, but the first time you take it you think you're gonna die. It's really weird. But I've tried that for a little while, and I guess I didn't stick with it long enough to see if it worked. I'm really bad at taking pills and medicine and stuff. Margie C, she has a channel on YouTube. She's got really nice videos right now. She's sewing and stuff, but she has cooking videos, how to lose weight and things. Margie C with a J. So she recommended for some other things that I have going on, like my cramps and things like that, random cramps and bee sting feelings. She recommended I take magnesium, and what goes with magnesium? I think there's zinc in it and B3 or something like that. And right now she's taking B vitamins, and she says she feels so much better. So Hadar got me some zinc, magnesium, and B3 all-in-one pill, and I take that every day. And I've been taking it for probably 3 weeks now or something since he got it. I can honestly say I haven't had a cramp. I can honestly say that. And before that, I was having cramps daily. I could do this and my finger, my whole hand would cramp up, you know what I mean? So health benefits for the magnesium. I guess we don't get enough of it in our food or something. So here is Margie C's channel. She's starting to upload videos again. She's been sewing, but also down here she has cooking videos. Now there's another girl that I want to recommend to you. I have known her for a long time, but we just recently started talking. Maybe 8 months ago we started talking. And sent emails back and forth. You know, she was asking about the whole family vlogging thing, and she wanted to get into it, and she has gotten into it. She's been vlogging every day for this past month, June, and she's really liking it. Her and I have a lot of things in common. We have had similar life experiences. Right now she has terminal cancer. She has triple negative breast cancer. You know, she's going in for chemo right now, and I think she's doing pretty good. She's, you know, struggling to do things. Another thing that's special about Christina is she got pregnant during her treatment for cancer. She literally had a miracle baby. She was a preemie. Her name's Ava. This is her, Christina Newman. You can see it's Fasting Girl with a U, 31. And there's Ava. She's just over 1 year old now. But she has a very positive attitude. She's very nice. She's sweet. She's had a, what do you call it, disproportional amount of bad things happen to her. She's still got a good attitude. So if you enjoy watching our vlogs, you'll most likely enjoy watching her. Hi, Christina. It's time to make dinner, and I just realized I don't have any meat all the way thawed out, so I don't know what I'm gonna cook. Actually, I only have 2 little pieces of chicken breast. That's probably not gonna be enough, but I am cooking. I'm cooking some. Hiccups! How about them? I'm cooking some of that broccoli soup again. I don't know if it'll be done by the time Hadar gets home, though. I gotta go get the baby. He's screeching in his bedroom right now. Gotta get him out. Get him out of his tent. You want some olives? Here. They're really hot olives. Come here.
Mama.
Over here. Can't reach.
My so ready.
Here. Up.
These are really hot. They actually lit me on fire. My nose was running and stuff. Have you ever seen a baby eat something hot and just not even care?
Up. This strum.
Yeah, they're really hot.
What?
Is it good?
It.
Is it hot?
You say, ow, she attacks you.
Ow!
Get her, kitty. Cat.
Ow! 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 Oh no, it's like needles.
Oh, she's pissed. Run away, kitty.
Kitty! Look at that mouth. She's like, your feet stinks. Rafael's laughing. He said, your feet stinks. So mad at you. Rafael's gonna read us a book, okay? Hadar's trying to listen to his music.
I'm not listening to my music.
He's trying to find new music.
No, I know this music. I just don't know
Oh.
let me do it.
Go ahead.
Copyright.
A few seconds isn't gonna hurt. Let's read this book. Boat. Boat.
Bop.
Bus, yeah, bus. Oh, I know which one he knows. Let's see. Here, let's see. Let's see where it went.
Which
Are you still filming?
Here it is. What's that? What's this? Is it a horse? Horse. It's a horse, yes. Very good. Do you see a truck?
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. FoolyLiving.
The sheets on your bed? Sheets, son.
Shit.
You like it?
No.
You don't like it? He's learning from you, Daddy. I was gonna take Hadar out.
Quit living in a dream.
Here you can't do that.